country is more than ready to transition from its national pandemic health status to endemic phase should the WHO declare a global pandemic downgrade on January 27. And with the viral numbers still sliding due to solid adherence to minimum health protocols and vaccination still in the mix, the government assures the massive pandemic syndrome that has hit China will stay there or spread elsewhere, as our Mark Vitalco reports.
The Philippines is ready should the World Health Organization lift the state of public health emergency of international concern due to COVID-19. A WHO committee is set to meet on January 27 to decide whether the COVID-19 pandemic still represents a global emergency, which was first declared in January 2020.
So even when the public health emergency will be lifted, we know that the virus is here to stay. So the Philippines will continue to be cautious and vigilant, and we will still be imposing these same restrictions that we have right now.
This despite the high level of infections in China, which suddenly eased the restrictions. The WHO is confident that this kind of increase in cases won't happen in the Philippines as the country gradually lifted its borders and COVID-19 protocols.
Sa ngayon, tayo dito sa ating bansa, we are having a manageable situation wherein our hospitals are better prepared than the previous years, and also the behavior of our citizens, no? Kaya tayo nagpapasalamat dahil na-imbibe na po natin yung tamang pagko-comply sa minimum public health standards.
Despite these restrictions, Vergara said the COVID-19 situation in the country remains manageable. With this, the DOH sees the state of calamity in the country won't be further extended. However, it said the country's COVID-19 response will continue, especially the vaccination. In fact, Vergara said a number of local government units have integrated COVID-19 vaccines in their usual vaccination programs. So far, there are more than 3,600 primary care facilities which are offering COVID-19 vaccines. The government is also continuing negotiations with vaccine manufacturers Pfizer and Moderna for the purchase of bivalent vaccines. Following a study saying that Pfizer's bivalent vaccine could be linked to a type of brain stroke in older adults, Vergara said,
dito po sa study na lumabas na ito, yung totality niya does not really conclude and indicate na pag ikaw ay binigyan ng bivalent, talagang magkakaroon ka ng stroke. Ang sinabi lang dyan sa study na yan, the risk would be there. And if we go back to the previous vaccines that we have used, yun pong monovalent vaccine, marami rin pong mga ganitong reaksyon na naire-report.
So far, more than 73.8 million Filipinos have been fully vaccinated, while more than 21 million individuals have received their booster shots. The DOH said only less than 1% of vaccinated individuals have experienced adverse reactions following immunization. Mark Vitalco for The Nation.